Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for all being with us this evening, and thank you to my dear friend and supporter of Isuroon, Abdursak Farah, for hosting tonight's program. My name is Fartun Weli. I'm the founder and the executive director of Isuroon. I'm one of many Somali immigrants who found a new home in Minnesota. We all came with our dreams, and mine was to get education and skills as much as I could. And second, to become the strongest advocate, mentor, and a peer for Somali women who have to address some issues: gender equity, literacy, poverty, and civic engagement and participation. That's why I started Isuroon. What does Isuroon mean? In Somali, Isuroon means beautiful women, independent women who take care of themselves financially, emotionally, and physically. Isuroon means a dream and destination we all seek. Some of you may ask, what does Isuroon do? I would like to talk and answer the question, what does Isuroon does not do? First, Isuroon goes anywhere Somali women call us. We have no zip code or limitations. Our office is open. Second, we're not in business fixing people. People are not broken. They just need a little bit of help. Our approach is strength-focused, which acknowledges the resilience of Somali women and makes them equal partners. At Isuroon, we value integrity above all and pursue projects which fit our mission and community's upward mobility. These are our core values and have helped us grow where we are. To tell you the truth, this stance was hard and we have the scars to prove it. But this stance serves us well and we intend to keep it. Our current and future direction of our programs are informed by Somali women and our staff. Health literacy is critical for the advancement and reducing the health disparity of Somali women. Minnesota has the highest health disparity of Black and brown women. Doing health education and preventive care access is the most critical work that we do. System navigation. As you know, many immigrants really don't understand how to navigate our government institution, whether it's the healthcare, education, and the larger system. It takes so much time out of the new American that families, especially female households, are unable to go to school or find a job because they have to take care of the family and go through the system. Simply as even reading the mail for them produces anxiety, as well as we develop a relationship with them and say what are the priority and what is not priority. Financial literacy is becoming the number one focus for Isuroon moving forward. We understand that if you are financially illiterate, it's hard to manage and also move upward mobility. Training our mothers and our families about what budget is, what they need to do to either save or to find different jobs or even think about the saving concept is something that is so critical, and our families have agreed that this is important. Saving, finding and purchasing houses, and retirement and getting jobs. Civic engagement and women's leadership are also important components of Isuroon's work. We know civic engagement and understanding their rights, their voting, their participation is connected to their well-being and their financial upward mobility. Women's leadership is also critical. We want to make sure that Somali women participate, not only voting but also running for offices, understanding their rights, and being a citizen. As many of you know, there are many Somali women who have not had opportunity to go to school. They look at their kids, the opportunity to get education. And we know Minnesota's education inequality or the education gap, especially on immigrants and kids who are coming from female households, is a big problem in Minnesota. What Isuroon is doing is training our parents about their rights, how to get involved in the children's education, picking better school, and finding support for their kids and themselves. COVID-19 and having no school to go to had also showed us how big education disparity is a problem for Somali women, also women of color and their kids as well. We are committed these programs and other programs to support Somali women and their families, and our ultimate goal is for them to become financially independent and out of poverty and out of welfare system. Unrest. The murder of George Floyd was awakening for many people and opened their eyes to the reality of day-to-day lives of black people in America. Somali community, especially the younger generation, has been politically active, and we stand with our African American brothers and sisters. Political climate affects us all. I thought 9/11 was the scariest time for Muslims, especially Muslim women. However, many Somali women are reporting being fearful and not feeling safe for COVID-19, hateful rhetorics, and negative views on immigrants. COVID-19, let me send my dearest condolences to all Americans who have lost loved ones. The pandemic surprisingly also showed us how much we care one another as a community. I'm so proud of Minnesota community and of Somali women, immigrants, women of color for their resilience in getting organized to keep their families safe despite of COVID-19 challenges. You inspire me and make me proud to be Somali and Minnesotans. Thank you so much for watching, and in advance, happy Thanksgiving and be safe. Enjoy the program. Thank you.